This is the Westin Cleveland Downtown, room 1703. Start in the bathroom. Got a sliding door on the outside. See-through window. Hopefully privacy is not a concern. Makeup mirror. Sorry about the finger. Comes with a hair dryer. Amenities on the shower. And there is no door. It's fixed glass. And it has a little spot where you can reach in and turn your shower on. Kind of weird. Especially when all the water can end up there or over there. All right. I'll go check out the main room. Closet. So you got your ironing board, luggage rack, a few hangers which I got all used up. Pardon the mess, I'm just cleaning up. Got the garbage can in the corner. And there I am. Two full mirrors in the corner, kind of a unique way to arrange it. And this is a standard king room. And one thing is kind of neat here is like a little bookshelf, so if you're laying in bed you just slide your book over and out of the way. It does have a coffee pot with some coffees. Nothing in there. Ice bucket. And a safe down below. And it does come with a fridge. And 3 drawers for storing clothes in. I have clothes in there, so I'm not going to show that. And then a little nook over here for, I don't know, storing backpack or something, which you probably forget. And it's got a chair in the corner. And a desk to do some work at. This is weird. I'm on the 17th floor facing north. And this blind opens up to nothing. So the window is right here, as you can see. That's all you get. So we'll take a look here. Like I said, this is facing north. Rock and Roll Hall of Fame is right there. The football stadium where the Cleveland Browns play is right there. And Lake Erie. So that's a quick tour of the Westin Cleveland Downtown Hotel. Click like, comment, and subscribe.